Alright, so here's a little close-up of the truck. I painted those rims. That's red gold single stage enamel. A little bit of the patina work. It's I gotta buff it and clean it. I haven't had time to buff it since it's been raining. Let's see the inside real quick. So I got a bag right now because it's been raining and that window motor isn't working. This one works, it goes up and down, but that one doesn't. So I have to order that. I'm going to order that maybe sometime this week. Yep. Super clean. The rocker panels don't have rust anywhere. It's really, really clean. So the truck, I left it as is. I sanded down in the little spots. It's a little dirty. I haven't washed her. Like I said, it's been raining. Yeah, this side has a little more, how do you say it, character. I guess the previous owners replaced the whole side with some white panels. As you can see, some white showing through the sanded parts. All the rust that you see there is not real. It's artificial, if you will. Yeah.